Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by using an administrator account so the Uninstall can modify system apps. Open Start, type Settings, then go to Apps and Installed Apps. This list shows OneNote variants. Once done, search for OneNote and note whether it's the Microsoft Store app or the built-in OneNote for Windows. This matters because the uninstall method differs. Make sure to close OneNote and any Office apps first to avoid file locks. Otherwise, the removal can fail or leave background processes running. If you see an Uninstall button in Settings for the Store version, click it and follow prompts. This is the simplest path. For the built-in OneNote, open PowerShell as admin and run getapps package name Microsoft. Office, OneNote or similar, then remove with Remove Apps package. This targets the packaged app. Once the command completes, sign out or restart Explorer to release handles, otherwise remnants may persist. Make sure you're comfortable copying the exact package name to avoid removing the wrong app. After uninstall, verify no shortcuts or folders remain in Start, %local app data%, and program files. Manually delete leftovers if present. Then reboot to ensure system references update, and test opening a OneNote file to confirm default app changes. If something goes wrong, use the Windows troubleshooter for installing and uninstalling programs, or run an Office repair from Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Microsoft Office. This often fixes blocked removals. Finally, restore any needed files from backups if you removed local notebooks unintentionally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.